Hello people. This is a tutorial of Raspberry Pi temperature monitor that's on like terminal or command line, or you guys say. So right now we have this. It says temperature 60.7 Celsius. Toasty boy, huh? It's toasty, huh? Yeah. The max temperature is 8 Celsius. I got that from some source. Yeah, we got that, so play failed. Yeah. Whatever. This is the code that you want. Yeah, so this is the code that we want. Now we want to import the OS and import time. Then we take the temperature and we put vcgencmd measure temp. I hope. Well, I don't want to say this out. So you just type it out how I have it right now. So you just want import OS, import time, and then temperature, and to clear the command line, because you know it's going to keep like printing it out, and to run the command in the terminal, I like to say, is to os.system and then clear. That should run. That's to clear the screen, and then temperature, and then it's going to print max temp is 80 Celsius because I got that from some random site. Woohoo! And then time.sleep, and then 2 because that's like, if you put this command in, it says it just updates every like 2 seconds. So let me get putty, and we get this thing. Let's start. So you want to put it into your system. So we got my stuff here, and we just open it and then put my password in. Put my password in. Woohoo! Now I have this in my desktop. Yeah, I spelled desktop wrong. And then temp.py is how I called it. And we're gonna do Python 3 temp.py, and it should give us the temperature, and you can get that. So it's gonna update. Yep, it's now 59.1, so 59.9 Celsius. Now it's 60.1 Celsius, and this is how you can get it on like Python using this, and it's really cool. I hope you like this video, like, favorite this stuff. So yeah, bye bye.